Today I'll be showing how to make pineapple pastry. Take a baking sheet. Brush some melted butter. And place a parchment paper. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Add 2 eggs at room temperature. Beat until it gets foamy. Add 50 grams of sugar. Add this in batches. Add half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Beat until it gets to the ribbon stage. So this is what the ribbon stage should look like. Sift 50 grams of all-purpose flour. Mix gently, do not overmix. Pour the mixture in a prepared baking pan. Spread it evenly by using an offset spatula. Now bake it in a preheated oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Now the cake is ready. I'm going to remove it from the pan. And keep it on a cooling rack. Let it cool completely. Cut the cake in 3 parts. Add 480 ml or 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. It should be cold. And 4 to 6 tablespoons of sugar. Beat. Add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Beat until you see stiff peaks. This is what stiff peaks should look like. Use canned pineapple and cut it into small and large chunks. Use pineapple juice from the same can. And now let's start with the icing. Add little bit of pineapple juice. Some whipped cream. Then some pineapple pieces. Place the second layer. And now repeat the process. Now the third and the last layer. Add pineapple juice. Cover all the sides with cream. Refrigerate for half an hour. You can see all the layers. Use a star nozzle. Refrigerate for 4 to 6 hours and then enjoy. Thank you for watching.